Hi everybody, welcome back. Belinda here. I hope you're all doing well. So today I'm working on a, is it a 30 by 40 centimeter? 40, I think it's a 40 by 50 centimeter. Two of them, as you can see. So I have laid down a little bit of black on the sides, painted it. If you're using black, my suggestion to you would be paint your sides, because it will show through the canvas when it's drying. So I'm going to go ahead and cover my canvas, and I'll be back with you in a minute.
A few moments later.
Right guys, so I've gone ahead and torched them and I'm going to lay down my colours. So my colours are, this is Pebbio Red, and I hope you're all doing well. Okay. That's the red, and then I have a very bright orange here, and I'm just going to put that straight over the red. And guys, thank you so much for subscribing and commenting. I really appreciate that. Giving it a big thumbs up too. It all helps my channel. So it looks like I've mixed a little bit too little of the red, sorry, the orange. So he's scraping the bottom of the cup. Oh, made some blobs, but that's okay. And then I have some Florescent Yellow, which is a really beautiful colour. Just laying that down pretty fast. And I have a new camera, so I'm busy recording with a new camera. I'm hoping that it will help, it will sort out any sound issues that you guys have with my videos. I know not everybody has sound issues, but you know, there are a few people. And also hopefully the videos will be much better quality. Okay, so I've got no clue what I'm going to be doing here. And lastly, I'm just going to go in with my silver. This is a metallic silver, so I just reuse the bottles, really. So I will just go like so. Righty-ho. So I'm going to give this a torch. Get all those bubbles out, and there are a lot of them because I just mixed up some of my colours. I've just mixed up. Okay, let's see what we get. I'm going to add a little bit more black here and a bit of white on the other side, simply because it's not moving very well. So it might be that my paint is too thick or not enough. Okay, that should work. Put a bit of white here. I'm loving the cells that are already popping up. They are looking awesome. Okay guys, that should be it. Let's see. Okay guys, I went straight in here with my hairdryer. So let's see what needs to be done here. I think I'm going to blow this out a little bit. So my idea was for it to actually look like flames, and I think I pretty much got that. I'm going to blow some of this out because there's a lot of paint that's sitting over here. That lacing looks absolutely beautiful. And I'm going to blow a bit of this out here as well, just to even it out. Much better. Alright guys, I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Alright guys, so this is it. I really like it. Let me know what you think. And let me know what other colours you'd like to see me use next. So, I really love these cells on the corner here. And I'm hoping they're not going to fall off. I keep scraping the sides, make sure that it doesn't fall off. And these petals look good. So, my idea was for them to look kind of like flames. Love that. All those cells and the lacing is gorgeous. Okay guys, if you're interested in any of my artwork to purchase, you can contact me on withBade@gmail.com. Look at that. Oh, really like that guys. these cells over here are popping through so nicely as well. And I love, love, love this part. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys, bye.